then we flip this up.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And we'll take the components out. So the first thing is this is the case for the Pocket 2, as well as the Pocket 2 itself. Okay.
Pocket 2.
Pocket 2.
Okay, Pocket 2.
Yeah. It's called, DJI, they do drones and things. So that's what this is. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So this is the Pocket 2 inside.
Yeah.
And we'll take all of that out soon.
Yeah.
And this is the case, so to protect it, you always put it back in the case.
Yeah.
All right? Now, then you have a whole lot of small little things.
Yeah.
This is basically a joystick, okay? And you put that on here,
Yeah.
okay? And you get a joystick, you can move the camera around, okay? That's the joystick.
Oh, nice.
This is a strap you put on there. This is a USB-C cable, and there's two of them. So one is the output and two inputs.
Oh yeah.
One charges the, you can use to simultaneously charge the Pocket 2, as well as this is called all-in-one module,
Okay.
all-in-one handle. And it goes at the bottom of it, right? And it's good because it extends the handle a little bit,
Yeah.
so you have a better grip. But it has a wireless component that allows you to connect to your phone wirelessly.
Oh, yep.
So once you have this, and it's got a tripod, and the good thing is the USB-C port is on the side.
Yeah.
Whereas with this one,
On the bottom.
USB-C is at the bottom, and there is another thing. You take this out, put that in. It's got a tripod holder, right? But the problem is if you put a tripod in, it's hard for you to
Charge or whatever.
charge the phone. But this good thing is once you put this in,
You wanna,
the charging is on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that was very important for me because sometimes when you're doing very long, you're doing filming like for a 2-3 hour thing. This one only films, battery only lasts about 140 minutes. Right. Wireless mic, you put this on and it's a wind protector.
Nice.
All right. Now, so always keep it on. But the other good thing is you have this jack, 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you've got a headphone, this, you can get something that just sort of connects over here, screw, and you can try to put the thing. But if you have a large, like your tripod, you won't be able to fit the thing in there. Yeah. Okay. And last but not least, I think that's the last one. This is a little tripod. Okay, so how it goes is if you have this or this thing on there, you screw this in. And then, okay, so it's a good little thing. Video. In the meantime, I'm going to try and reset this device.
So this comes off. Ooh.
That's where it started.
So this is the DJI Pocket 2. It's an amazing little camera, and I'm really enjoying it. So I love the stable panning, and it's always been my issue filming with a mobile phone. So this is the app. It's connecting to the DJI Pocket. Join. connected. Okay, here we go. So you can do video, HDR video, slow motion, and time lapse. Are you pretty cat? Wait, I'll move the. You can move using joysticks here on the screen itself, which makes it easier. I'm still trying to figure out the live stream. I've connected it to YouTube, but it says it's streaming, but nothing comes out on YouTube. Okay, I'll just show you. Just walk around for a bit. Right, I'm filming Gizmo in 4K. Hello, Gizmo. Ah, he's scared of it. It's looking at him. Look who's awake. Right. This is George, our rooster. And his hens. And I can swipe up on the screen and press the button to turn it towards me, just like that. There's a few other options as well. I'm just gonna walk around with it and show you how smooth it is. Like this. You can also click on the button and get it to follow your face, or just follow you. I think this is following my face. As you can see, if I, no matter how I spin it, it's still gonna follow my face. So I can. This is good for vlogging on YouTube. You can walk around with it like that. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.